Hello, everybody, and welcome to my Inspirational Notes. Please take a brief moment to support my channel, subscribe, like my videos, leave me some feedback. No matter how advanced you think you might be, no matter how spiritual or enlightened, there are no guarantees in life, and you can be subjected to any test at any given moment. Your world, your reality can always be shaken by any events or situations. What to do in that case? If you feel suddenly distressed by something or someone, first and foremost, you have to realize that you have fallen asleep, that you are not awake, that you are not self-aware. Because if you are, then you will always be able to separate the dream from the reality. So the first step is to wake up. But even after waking up, you still might feel uncomfortable depending on the shock you have experienced. So your second step should be creating a distance between the happening and yourself. Usually when something shocking and stressful happens in a person's life, they begin to focus on it. Do the opposite. Instead of focusing on it, walk away from it. And thirdly, you have to reshift your focus of attention from something that is distressful to something that brings you pleasure, that makes you happy. Any physical activity will do, breathing practices work. Use any trick that you know personally works for you. Remember that if you have experienced some shock and it lasts for a day or two or even a week, that's okay. But if it lasts longer, then the dual mirror has enough time to generate a new reflection for you, to generate a new reality for you. Nothing tragic, for you can always switch it back. But the more you get sucked into the drama, the harder it is to get out. Train yourself, teach yourself to restore your harmony as quickly as possible. Love you all, Victoria.